I've made it onto the SS La Venezia. I'm on a 7-night Jewels of Veneto river cruise.
As you can see, the decor on the ship is absolutely beautiful. I was really impressed. I was staying in stateroom 211, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I can tell you the 2 cupcakes, well, they didn't last very long. The bed was really luxurious, and whilst it might not have been the biggest stateroom in the world, it was absolutely beautifully decorated, and there was everything that you could possibly need. And take a look at this bathroom, all fitted out to the highest quality.
You get some wonderful views sailing down the Grand Canal.
On this river cruise, as well as visiting Venice, you get to visit Mazzorbo, Murano and Chioggia.
This morning I'm on one of the pre-arranged trips. We're going to have a look around the Doge Palace. And what's really cool about this trip is we get exclusive access. So I can highly recommend a visit to the Doge's Palace. Unfortunately, I couldn't take video inside. If I manage to take any decent pictures, I'll put them up now.
There's a great choice of excursions on this river cruise, and they were all included. Today I'm on another included tour to Vicenza. Included in the tour was a visit to the Teatro Olimpico, and I can highly recommend it. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, you really get to see Venice from a very different perspective. The food on board was absolutely fantastic. Breakfast and dinner are buffet style, and dinner is a la carte table service in the main restaurant. And don't forget, a great selection of drinks are all included.
This morning I'm checking out Murano. What a beautiful island it is here. This afternoon we've got another exclusive tour, and this is the Murano glass factory.
Do you like it? Sure. Did you visit Venice? Do you remember the church, San Marco? 16,000 square feet of this material. Have a look at the beauty of it. And absolutely is glass, is not crystal, no lead. So it's possible to have the minerals, and this is the reason of the 600 different colors we produce. The vase, I really suggest you to take a picture. They are absolutely free of any charge. And remember that the vase was specially made for you. malleable it is or workable, this is what makes Murano glass so special. Can be shaped in 1,000 of different forms. Here we go.
After 47 years, it's time to use them for family fight.
Please like and subscribe to the channel, it really does make a difference. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, you can now buy me a virtual coffee.